One evening, as Mia was gazing at the stars through her telescope, she spotted a bright light streaking across the sky. The next morning, she found a small, friendly alien named Zork stranded in her backyard. Zork had crash-landed on Earth and needed Mia's help to repair his spaceship and return home. Together, they worked on fixing the spaceship using tools from Mia's dad's garage and parts scavenged from around the house. With teamwork and determination, they managed to get the spaceship back in working order, and Zork bid a fond farewell to Mia, promising to visit her from his home planet in the future. Comprehension questions. What did Mia see one evening that led to the events of the story? Mia saw a bright light streaking across the sky through her telescope. Who did Mia find in her backyard the next morning? How did they meet? Mia found a small, friendly alien named Zork in her backyard. Zork had crash-landed on Earth. How did Mia and Zork repair the spaceship? They repaired the spaceship using tools from Mia's dad's garage and parts scavenged from around the house. You can get a physical copy of the story for additional practice. Please see the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss a character's perspectives in a literary text story. I'll see you next time.